नमस्ते भारत, भारत न्यूज़ 24। और आज हम लोग आए हैं शिक्षा पे चर्चा के साथ साथ हम आपको बता दें कि संत मैरी स्कूल जो कंकड़बाग में लोकेटेड है, यहाँ पर समझिए कि साइंस एग्जीबिशन का आयोजन किया गया। और हमारे साथ खास और एक्सक्लूसिव साइंस एग्जीबिशन के बारे में हम यहाँ की जो प्रिंसिपल मैम है सिस्टर रीता मैम से जानेंगे कि मैम आज का जो एग्जीबिशन है इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताया जाए। जी,
आज का जो एग्जीबिशन है ये पूरे 1 से लेकर 10 तक के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है। 1 से 5 के स्टूडेंट्स अपना आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट बनाते हैं, अपना क्रिएटिविटी दिखाते हैं। और 6 to 10 स्टूडेंट्स साइंस से रिलेटेड मॉडल्स बनाते हैं। उसमें ये दिखाते हैं कि आज के आधुनिक युग में ये जो हमारे देश के प्रति और हमारा जो साइंस से रिलेटेड है, जो वैज्ञानिक अपने जीवन में जो कुछ बनना मांगते हैं उसके लिए।
मैम एडमिशन प्रोसेस क्या है मैम इसके बारे में?
एडमिशन प्रोसेस है, पहले बच्चे आते हैं, उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है। आफ्टर द रजिस्ट्रेशन दे हैव टेस्ट, then after the test when the students is qualified then only they are admitted in the school.
थैंक यू मैम। चलिए सीधा यहाँ देखिए कि साइंस एग्जीबिशन और आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट डायरेक्ट प्रिंसिपल मैम ने साफ कर दिया कि 1 to 5 आर पार्टिसिपेटेड इन आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट एंड साइंस एग्जीबिशन फ्रॉम 6 to 10 बिकॉज एक्टिविटी इज द बेस्ट पार्ट। इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा देन यू हैव टू पार्टिसिपेट इन ईच एंड एवरी पॉपुलर एक्टिविटी because St. Mary school is providing the best quality of education, because education is the strong weapon of the world. Without education it can't be possible to get success, and success determines the hard work. If you do hard work, if you are searching good school, the school is in at your place, that is St. Mary school। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए कुमार हसन, भारत न्यूज़ 24। हाँ पहले विजुअल ले लेते उसके बाद इंटरव्यू। हाँ जी जी,
एक बार विजुअल ले लेते हैं, जिसको इंटरव्यू अलग चलेगा। सीधे करो।
प्रोजेक्ट क्या है? यस।
So this is the electric lift and it works on the principle of electromagnetism. So first of all, when the motor gets on, then it is connected to a pulley, as you can see here. Then the pulley is also connected by the cables. The cables are connected to the lift. When the cables move when we on the motor, then the lifts move up.
Thank you. Just explain about your project. Yeah.
As you can see, this is the model of working model of magical tap. In this model, the water is coming out from the tap without any connection. But it is just an illusion. In reality, there is a motor fixed inside the standing light which pulls the water upwards, and the water comes down through the pipe which is fixed in this tap. And it seems like that the water is coming out from the tap. And this is the model of photosynthesis. When we switch on the light, the solar energy is trapped by the chloroplast that present in the chlorophyll that present in the chloroplast, and it makes energy to produce food.
Thank you.
So
Yeah.
this is a model of endocrine system which release hormones.
Speak loudly. Yeah.
So this is the model of endocrine system which release hormones produced all over the body. This is several hormones like pituitary gland, thyroid gland, thymus, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovary, and testes. These glands are secrete many other types of hormones. So first is pituitary gland is secrete growth hormones which is needed for the growth. This gland is secreted thyroid gland is secreted.
ना क्या है? चलिए आप बताइए कौन से सेक्शन से है और कौन बोलेगा? या
Good morning, sir. This is my project. This is study system. First, I want to discuss about the kidney are located in the abdomen, in the either side of the back and
this is the blood vessel and urethra that is going inside the kidney. This is the urine bladder. It is the stored urine, and this is the urethra. It is going inside the outside the body.
Thank you.
This is a fuel flow meter which we can add the amount of any fuel, and we can prevent us from the any fraud that happens on the petrol pump, which we can take a speed of current, and we can easily know about it, and we can set it in our vehicle to know how many fuel are left in our vehicle. This is very useful meter which we can help us very.
Presenting the brain model which I have made. Brain is nothing but a controller of our body. It consists of about 10 million neurons. It controls the brain involuntary muscles. It divides into three parts: cerebrum, and medulla. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It consists of most part of the brain.
चलिए आप बताइए. Yes, just explain about your project.
In this project, we have generated electricity through solar panels, windmills, etc. And we have also in biology, we have made a model of brain and the reproductive parts of plants. This is a working
Thank you. चलिए, yes, you just explain about your project, what you have made. Yeah. Yes, fast. Just explain.
Actually, this is a project of zero carbon emission city. Actually, as you know that this stage carbon emission has been increased so much from our past earlier times, like in a manner of thousand lives. Like
What is the name of your project? Just say.
exactly, I just explained the name of my project is net zero carbon emission city.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.